ओके, ठीक है। अच्छा, एक्सरसाइज जो मैंने दिए थे, आई सॉ एलिसाज दिस थिंग, उसके बाद मैंने देखा नहीं है अगर किसी ने पोस्ट कुछ किया रहेगा तो। बट आई आस्क्ड यू टू पोस्ट 2 इमेजेस। एक तो वो कलर शेप फॉर्म वाला मैंने बोला था, दूसरा मैंने बोला था अबाउट डिजाइन। एक डिजाइन जो अपने आप होती है, आई वुड कॉल इट ऑर्गेनिक, और उसका जो बनना है तरीका है वो काफी, इट इज क्वाइट ऑर्गेनिक। हाँ, और दूसरा है जो हम खुद बनाते हैं। सो हैव यू नोटिस एनीथिंग अराउंड यू? ऐसे कुछ आपने ऑब्जर्व किया है क्या कि there are few objects, like for example if you are using pencil, if someone is using pencil, तो okay, if someone is using pencil, तो वो pencil अगर ख्याति इज यूजिंग दैट पेंसिल, तो वे शी विल यूज इट, तो उसको कुछ उसकी कुछ हैबिट्स रहेंगी, शायद ख्याति की कुछ हैबिट्स रहेंगी जिसकी वजह से वो पेंसिल को एक अलग फॉर्म आ गया रहेगा। या आर यू गेटिंग व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? या फिर दैट एलिसा इज हैविंग दैट, और वो नेत्रा नेत्रा वाज हैविंग दैट पर्ल। हाँ, तो द वे शी हैज केप्ट इट, मे बी रितिश वो पर्ल वैसे नहीं रखेगा, नेत्रा जैसे रखेगी वैसे रितिश नहीं रखेगा। तो द ऑब्जेक्ट्स, द वे यू कीप इट, उसको आप जिस तरीके से रखते हो, आपका पर्सनालिटी जो आप जैसे हो, इट समहाउ, ऑफ कोर्स वो ऑब्जेक्ट अगर आपको अच्छा लगता है या फिर यू नो इफ दैट ऑब्जेक्ट इज क्लोज टू यू, हाँ, इट मेक्स सेंस टू यू, देन आप जिस तरीके से वो ऑब्जेक्ट को संभालते हो, रखते हो, इट रिफ्लेक्ट्स ऑन दैट ऑब्जेक्ट। या या तो वैसे एक जो ऑब्जेक्ट होता है, जो जिसका शेप, जिसका फॉर्म, वी डिस्कस व्हाट इज शेप, व्हाट इज फॉर्म, जिसका शेप या फिर जिसका फॉर्म अपने आप बनता है, और कुछ चीजें ऐसी होती है जो हम बनाते हैं, जो हम बनाते हैं अपने कन्वीनियंस के हिसाब से। सो ऑलवेज देयर इज अ, ये दोनों चीजों का हमेशा कॉम्बिनेशन होता है जब कुछ नई चीज बनती है। सो लास्ट टाइम वी, हम लोग रुके थे कोलैबोरेशन पे, टुडे वी विल स्टार्ट विथ हैबिट। हाँ, तो एक तो हैबिट, अपनी जो हैबिट होती है उस हिसाब से, वो हैबिट को ध्यान में रखते हुए हम लोग कुछ चीजें नई 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 बनाते रहते हैं। ठीक है, तो हैबिट बहुत बहुत छोटी सी चीज भी हैबिट हो सकती है बहुत, जैसे मैंने बोला कुछ पेंसिल, या फिर लास्ट टाइम मैंने बोला था एक स्टोन में यूज करते, तो वो स्टोन का टेक्सचर। तो वैसे मैंने कुछ इमेजेस आपको बोले थे शेयर करने के लिए, या फिर आप मुझे अभी भी बता सकते हो, वैसे कुछ है किसी के याद में, ऐसे कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट्स है आपकी मेमोरीज में, या फिर जिसका शेप या जिसका फॉर्म, उसको हम लोग इवोल्यूशन बोल सकते हैं, है ना, दैट फॉर्म इवॉल्व्स, राइट? ऐसी कुछ चीजें हैं क्या आपके आजू बाजू में? इट कैन बी एनीथिंग, प्लांट हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है। लीज, ओके, लीज आई हैवंट सी, हाँ एलिसा बोलो।
I didn't understand what you were saying.
ओके, लीज ने क्या शेयर किया है? ओके, ओ, हम्म, वाओ, व्हाट इज दैट? वो क्या है, पेंसिल है क्या बाजू में, क्या स्टिक किया है क्या कुछ? नाइस,
Pencils.
ओके, नाइस इट इज, गुड, गुड। Oh, very nice. This is what I was talking about. It's beautiful. बहुत सुंदर है। See, now this is, I feel this is something which is beautiful. Okay, मतलब तुम्हारे आजू बाजू में ही कुछ तो है, और तुम अपने लिए कुछ तो एक जगह बना रहे हो, ठीक है? So this is so pretty. बहुत सुंदर है। Yeah, thank you, Satish. Okay, great, great. So this is what I was talking about. कुछ चीजें ऐसी होती हैं जो हम यूज करते हैं और वो अपने आप एक जगह बना लेता है। I shared last time, I shared that box का thing with you, right? और कुछ चीजें ऐसे होती है जो अपने को चाहिए ही होती है, क्योंकि उसके साथ कुछ हिस्ट्री अटैच होती है, अपनी मेमोरीज अटैच होती है, तो वो चीजें अपने को चाहिए होती है, उसके लिए हम लोग कॉन्शियसली कुछ जगह बनाते हैं। तो ऑलवेज देयर इज हम दोनों, ये दोनों चीजों को हम लोग हमेशा साथ में रखते हैं। नाउ लास्ट टाइम व्हेन वी डिस्कस अबाउट कलर, तो शायद मैंने कुछ बात किया ही नहीं, मैंने सिर्फ आपको कुछ वर्ड्स दिए। हाँ, जो भी बोलना था वो आपने बोला, राइट। मैंने कलर बोला, कलर भी आपने आपका चूज किया था। मैंने सिर्फ दो वर्ड्स बोले थे आपको, एक डीप बोला था, एक फ्लैट बोला था, और उसके बाद का जो भी काम था वो आपने किया था, बराबर। तो हाउ वाज दैट एक्सपीरियंस विथ यू? ओके, सो आई विल शो यू। अच्छा, अब मेरी एक हैबिट है कि मैं एक चीज ना बार बार देखती रहती हूँ। बार बार देखती रहती हूँ मतलब उसको हम लोग एक चर्निंग बोल सकते हैं। चर्निंग मतलब, आपको गरबा पता है? गरबा कौन कौन खेलता है? गुजराती लोग जो गरबा खेलते हैं, दांडिया गरबा, कोई खेलता है यहाँ पे? जो गरबा में क्या होता है, हमेशा हम लोग चार, तीन चार कदम पीछे जाते हैं व्हेन यू, वो जो स्टेप करते हैं, और पांच छह कदम आगे जाते हैं। या तो एक स्टेप तो आगे जाते हैं लेकिन वापस पीछे जाते हैं, वापस आगे जाते हैं। सो दैट इज व्हाट इज चर्निंग इज ऑल्सो अबाउट, है ना। चर्निंग मतलब जो छाछ होता है, छाछ का जो मक्खन निकालते, पता है? ठीक है, ओके। सो दैट इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू नाउ। हाँ, सो विल गो बैक अगेन एंड उसमें थोड़ा सा और कुछ नया ऐड करके हम लोग वापस देखेंगे जो हमने लास्ट टाइम देखा था। तो आज, लास्ट टाइम, अपार्ट फ्रॉम कलर, शेप, फॉर्म, टेक्सचर एंड साइज, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट हम लोग ने एक नया पॉइंट बात किया था, जिसके ऊपर हम लोग ने बात किया था, दैट वाज कोलैबोरेशन। एंड टुडे वी स्टार्टेड विथ हैबिट। कोलैबोरेशन एंड हैबिट। अभी हम लोग वापस वो इमेजेस देखेंगे जो हमने लास्ट टाइम देखे थे। तो हम लोग ने लास्ट टाइम ये इमेज देखा था, और मेनी ऑफ यू एक्चुअली कहीं कहीं पे हम लोग ने बात भी किया था उस इस नॉट अबाउट दिस वर्क, बट वी डिस्कस्ड, वी मेंशन अबाउट फ्यू वर्ड्स, जहाँ पे किसी ने बोला था फ्लैट, किसी ने बोला था, किसी ने बोला था, हाँ, वेदर दिस इज अ, सो वी विल जस्ट डिस्कस दिस वर्क नाउ। अभी हम लोग सिर्फ ये काम के बारे में बात करेंगे। और ये जो काम है, ये आर्टिस्ट है, अमेरिकन आर्टिस्ट है, और उसका नाम है रोथको। एंड या तो his work is more about color. I said last time why it is more about color and less about other things. See his, if you see all his color, all his works, they are mainly in rectangle. उसके काम में काफी बार rectangle होता है, but then that rectangle is also not very definite rectangle. Yeah, when we say shape, अगर उसको शेप करना है देन उसको एक आउटलाइन होता था, बट हियर वी सी देयर इज नो आउटलाइन। इट इज वेरी मच लाइक उसकी जो आउटलाइन है वो काफी मर्ज की हुई है ना। सो इट गिव्स काइंड ऑफ फ्लोटिंग, एक फ्लोटिंग इफेक्ट देता है। अगेन हियर आई सी सम काइंड ऑफ शैडोई इफेक्ट आई सी। सो ऑल हिज वर्क्स are about that. Now, when we see these artists' work, also we have to understand why these kind of works happened during that time. So Rothko and other artists, along there were few more artists, like other artists also who were there, and who were जिनको हम लोग एब्स्ट्रैक्ट एक्सप्रेशनिज्म का पार्ट बोल सकते हैं। नाउ ये जो आर्टिस्ट जो कुछ काम कर रहे थे, वो लोग का पीरियड था जो पोस्ट वॉर पीरियड था, ठीक है। सो व्हेन यस्टरडे व्हेन वी डिस्कस अबाउट कलर्स, हाँ, तो वो कलर देखने के लिए, कलर जब आप देख रहे थे तब आप खिड़की के बाहर देख रहे थे, दरवाजे के बाहर देख रहे थे, आप कहाँ पे देख रहे थे? नाउ दिस क्वेश्चन इज फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू। व्हेन आई से डीप ब्लू या फिर डीप व्हाटएवर कलर, तो आप वो कलर कहाँ पे ढूंढ रहे थे? आप कहीं पे ढूंढ रहे थे, बाहर, घर के बाहर, खिड़की के बाहर, कहाँ पे ढूंढ रहे थे? वो डीपनेस जो है, ब्लैक देखा, किसी ने ब्लैक देखा, किसी ने डार्क ब्लू देखा, किसी ने देखा कि ब्लू है और वो प्रोसेस में डीप अंदर जा रहा है। तो ये जो भी सब कुछ आपने देखा, वो कहाँ पे देखा आपने?
मैम मैंने घर के अंदर देखा।
घर के अंदर? घर के अंदर मतलब कहाँ पे?
जैसे वॉल्स वगैरह जो दिख रहे हैं वो।
ओके, ठीक है। और हमने बहुत सारी बातें डिस्कस की ना, वी टॉक्ड अबाउट शेप। तो किसी ने तो बहुत बहुत अच्छे अच्छे आपने आप रिएक्ट किया, रेक्टेंगल, वाइट, ग्लॉसी, बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से रिएक्ट किया। लेकिन ये सब देखा कहाँ पे आपने?
मैम घर में कुछ चीजें का।
तो वो समुंदर आपके आजू बाजू में था किधर? वेयर वॉज इट?
मैम लाइक सम pencil or some objects like laptop or something like that.
अच्छा, ओके, सो यू आर सेइंग मेमोरीज, कहीं पे तो मेमोरीज थे आपके साथ, ठीक है?
Yeah,
हाँ,
yes.
सो आई वुड से कि ये जो प्रोसेस है, प्रोसेस ऑफ सीइंग कलर और प्रोसेस ऑफ सीइंग टेक्सचर, हाँ, इट्स ऑल अबाउट सेंसेस, राइट? इट्स ऑल विद इन यू। हाँ, हम लोग ये किधर भी बाहर से नहीं देखेंगे। आपका जो जैसे जैसे कंप्यूटर है, आई थिंक नितिन कुलकर्णी ऑल्सो ही मेंशन अबाउट दैट, कि अगर वो कंप्यूटर में जो सेव किया हुआ है, योर बॉडी इज लाइक अ कंप्यूटर, ठीक है? आपने जो सेव करके रखा है, आप वही देखोगे। आपने कहीं पे वो देखा रहेगा, अंधेरा देखा रहेगा, दैट्स व्हाई यू कुड कनेक्ट टू इट। या फिर अगर फॉर्म कोई देखता है, सपोज डीप बोलने के बाद अगर किसी को बॉडी दिख सकता है, नो, रेड डीप इनसाइड योर बॉडी, इट कुड बी एनीथिंग, बट इट इज समथिंग इन योर मेमोरी एंड you try to see within your own memory, within your own body. हाँ, agree यहाँ तक? या सो वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड के ये जो काम है, ये जो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट एक्सप्रेशनिज्म का वो टाइम पे, हियर आई एम ओनली मेंशनिंग रोथको, देयर वर मेनी सच आर्टिस्ट, यू कैन गूगल एंड यू कैन सी अदर आर्टिस्ट वर्क ऑल्सो। तो वो काम वो टाइम पे क्यों हुआ, वो देखना, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। या बिकॉज इट वाज, दिस फेज इज अ पोस्ट वॉर फेज, पोस्ट वॉर के बाद में हुआ काम है, वेर आर्टिस्ट वेर सीइंग, काफी इंट्रोवर्ट होके वो देख रहे थे। ओके, यहाँ तक लेके आए जहाँ पे उनको फिगरेशन नहीं चाहिए था। इट इज सच अ मिनिमल थॉट, जस्ट एक्सप्रेसिंग थ्रू कलर्स। हाँ, अगेन if you see Rothko's work, like Rothko's rendering, it's different than other artists. हाँ, उसका जो rendering है वो काफी rendering, how do you see the rendering? Through texture. हाँ, तो ये जो टेक्सचर है उनके काम का, वो बहुत ही अलग है than ये क्लाइन करके आर्टिस्ट था, फ्रांस क्लाइन, रोथको का ही कंटेम्पररी है। बट आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट हिज वर्क, और ये इमेजेस भी इतने अच्छे नहीं है, बट आई जस्ट शो हिज वर्क जस्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड रोथको। हाँ, ही इज फ्रांस क्लाइन। हाँ, सो उसका जो काम है, these works are also abstract, but here we can see gestures. These works are more about brush. बैक कैसे जाना है सतीश? हाउ टू गो बैक? कैसे जाना है सतीश?
वो एरो कीज पीछे पीछे ऊपर नीचे वाला एरो की है ना वो।
ओके, हाँ, शिट, ठीक है। तो हाँ, तो वो क्लाइन का काम इसीलिए दिखा। नाउ यू सी रोथको, ठीक है? तो रोथको का जो ब्रश वर्क है वो काफी सॉफ्ट है। यू कैन सी लेयर्स ऑल्सो, ये नीचे का यहाँ पे यू कैन सी लेयर्स ऑल्सो। या again we talked about size. Huh? Abhi, see, that's why art is about experiencing. If you just imagine these canvases in front of you, huh? You are seeing it, you become steady when you see it, right? Again, I'll go back to your experiences when you were seeing those colors, those deep black or deep red or deep blue or flat. So just try to see what was happening with your body. Yeah. So when we see this kind of works also, what must be happening with the viewer? And that was the intention of that artist. इसीलिए उसने वो काम इतना बड़ा किया था. First, so he himself see the scale of the work, then he wants to execute it in front of viewer. Yeah, and these works happened after Second World War. So try to understand the whole process, why these works are happening during that period and why these paintings are important. Yeah, there were philosophers like that. There were artists like that. And again, then I will show you now they were very good friends. They knew each other, but he is also abstract expressionist. Again, his works are also about color, but here we see less color and gestures more than color. Yeah, I'm not going to talk about, I like his works, but I'm not going to talk much about his works. ठीक है, हम लोग थोड़ा स्पेसिफिक ही रहते हैं. You can Google abstract expressionism and you can see many other artists also during that period. अब मैं थोड़ा सा हिम्मत करती हूँ. एक याविस क्लाइन करके एक आर्टिस्ट है. He was a French artist and he is उनको परफॉर्मेंस का पायोनियर बोला जाता है. ठीक है, तो I don't know how you react to it, but I'll just, oops, okay, I think I don't have this. Just a minute. Okay, नहीं ठीक है, वो इमेज नहीं मिल जाए मेरे को. Anyways, I'll show that image, बाद में दिखाती हूँ मैं. बाद में हम लोग ने लास्ट टाइम मेंशन किया था, we talked about shape. तो हम लोग शेप को भी वापस थोड़ा और इसमें देखते हैं कि we discuss about Matisse's work. तो Matisse was a Fauvist artist and he was French. He was French and Fauvist. Fauvist means wild beast. ठीक है, तो Matisse ने जैसे काम किया है, his work is also about colors, but the colors, the way he used colors and shapes are very different than Picasso. I showed you Picasso. Yeah, he's Picasso. Matisse and Picasso were friends and Matisse was 10 years senior than Picasso. But the way Matisse is using forms and not forms, shapes is different than the way Picasso is using shapes. Yeah. But again, if we talk about shape here, Matisse के काम में, they are flat shape. लेकिन यहाँ पे जो linear काम है, यहाँ पे, उसकी वजह से वो shape is also getting some kind of form. Yes, but majorly it is about shape and color. Yeah. किसी को और कुछ कमेंट करना है क्या? रोथको के काम के बारे में भी किसी को कुछ बोलना है? You want me to show it again? आगे जाओ मैं. Okay. So Matisse के काम में ये एक बात मुझे बोलनी थी कि it is not that कि एक ही चीज होती है और दूसरी नहीं. It is always there, but again, if you see this work, ये भी Matisse का काम है. तो जो हम लोग बात कर रहे थे एक ब्लू, इसमें भी अगर आप देखोगे the textural quality, इसका जो ये ब्लू है, हाँ, वो ब्लू पीछे जाता है और ग्रीन it comes like थोड़ा आगे आता है ये ग्रीन. ठीक है, यहाँ पे भी when I see this, and बहुत बार ऐसे होता है that body figures जो है वो फ्लैश होने की वजह से, because they are fleshy, it reminds you something else. Sometimes it becomes cloud or so the title of this work was Dancing Figures. And here also you can see these lines, and because of these lines some kind of curvatures are getting formed, though majorly this is about shape, but certain kind of forms are getting formed here. Yes, so very little differences are there. So majorly it is about that, but then this is also happening there. लेकिन ये जो भी छोटी छोटी चीजें, अगेन you must have seen लियोनार्डो दा विंसी, देखा रहेगा आपने, जिसमें पर्सपेक्टिव का इतना रिसर्च किया था, बट अगेन यहाँ पे पर्सपेक्टिव बिल्कुल नहीं है, बट स्टिल देयर इज अ डेप्थ, ब्लू कलर की वजह से डेप्थ है. सो दीज पीपल दे हैव डिनाइड वो सब पर्सपेक्टिव का जो रूल्स है उसको पूरा निकाल के दे आर पुटिंग डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज हियर. Yeah, so all these things are very important to understand कि why these works are happening in that period. हाँ, अगर उस तरीके से भी काम को देखना चाहिए. Again, Picasso. Now Picasso का color scheme, अगर I am showing this image just to show the size of the work. This is the work. And Picasso का अगर काम देखेंगे तो again it is very much about flatness, but then those flat shapes are coming together. The title of this work was Whipping Woman, and you can see that whipping thing in the work. But Picasso's work has got kind of structural quality in his work, where these planes comes together, and it is not, and because these planes or the shapes are coming together to form a structure out of it, you see a kind of jerk in his work. Yeah, एक continuity नहीं दिखता है, there is kind of jerk everywhere. Yeah, and the three-dimensional thing we are getting out of textures. Again, Picasso has tried to show three-dimensional thing in a way के side face दिखा, एक ही बार में side face दिखाओ, frontal view दिखाओ. So those kind of experiments are always there in his work. Okay.
What is this called?
Sorry.
What is this art called?
Art call. Acha, okay. Picasso's period was Cubism. Yeah, he is from the ism which is called Cubism.
Ma'am, the other one who was Picasso's friend, as you said, his time was also Cubism.
Matisse? The shape wala thing, right? He was Fauvism. It was Fauvism. F-A-U-S-I, Fauvism, F-A-U-V-I-S-M. Okay. So the period, ये जो like Picasso's period was, he was still 1973, and as I told, he was a Spanish artist, then Matisse was a French artist. So I just thought of showing you what was happening in India that time. And I always feel that you should always, like, there should be a comparative study always, though you should not compare things with each other. Again, as Omkar said, you know, कि stone का जो properties रहेगा वो wood का नहीं रहेगा, right? So everything has its own properties, but also there should be, you should know, okay, what was happening during that time. So we were talking about color, we were talking about shape, we were talking about form, we talked about texture and everything. But I showed you all Western artists. So I thought I'll show you what was happening in India during that time. So this was Abanindranath Tagore, and it's, sorry, and the title of this work was Bharat Mata, and the material, it's fresco on paper, and it's very small size work. So he had academic training, जो वो टाइम पे ब्रिटिशर्स का ही ट्रेनिंग था अपने इधर. He's Abanindra Nath Tagore, he learned from गवर्नमेंट स्कूल ऑफ कलकत्ता, और वहां पे जो ट्रेनिंग मिलता था दैट वाज वेस्टर्न ट्रेनिंग, बट ही वाज आल्सो वो टाइम पे जो फ्रीडम का जो मूवमेंट चालू था, सो ही वाज अ एक्टिव मेंबर ऑफ दैट, एंड दे वर ट्राइंग टू रिवाइव what was happening in India, Indian art. So तो यहाँ पे उनके काम में काफी सारा मिनिएचर, you saw miniatures when Omkar showed, right? Someone asked what kind of brush they use, so you can see miniature ka influence in this. Then there is also जो हम लोग को नितिन कुलकर्णी ने तोतोरो दिखाया था, Japanese paintings, yeah, so we see that influence also. Then thoda gesture. Now we were discussing Picasso's form, and now I'm just showing you this form, this work, as I want you to see the form. तो कोई बात कर सकता है ये पेंटिंग के ऊपर? We can also see अजंता एलोरा का जो स्कल्पचर्स है, जो पेंटिंग्स है, तो उसका भी इसके ऊपर उसका इन्फ्लुएंस दिखता है. So can anyone talk about this?
Ma'am, she looks very disciplined because of her eyes and because of her hands and
Okay.
the way she's standing.
Okay, great. Anyone else?
Kind of looks like a goddess.
Yes, so she's a Bharat Mata because she has got this 4 and she's holding this things in her hand. Ye crops hai, then these are a representation of Vedas must be. Then this is called जो जप का जो माला होता है, that, और उनकी ये हाथ में है सूत. सूत is a thread of cotton. Yeah. Yeah.
So the things she is holding in her hands are depicting the things which were commonly used at that time period.
Yes.
Ma'am, there is complementary color scheme used.
Okay. Actually, I don't know, like, because if they have used it, because this theory of colors have come from, again, it is a Western concept, because in this thing earlier, art is very much part of living. Okay, this concept was not there. But of course, Abanindranath Tagore, yes, right, yeah, complementary color scheme is there. Okay, so उन्होंने जो पहना है, yeah, the cloth what she is wearing, it is a single cloth. There is no stitch on it, so which I find quite modern thought of designing cloth. I'm just mentioning it here, and this maybe it will come again. And another work of Abanindranath Tagore is this, and the title of this work was something at the end of the journey or something like that. So can anyone again talk about this work?
This camel is tired.
Hmm.
This camel is tired and just kind of resting like that.
Colors used are also violent, which depicts that the camel is not in. I mean, he is weak or something like that. Because of the colors used, it is looking red color is usually depicts blood. So
Okay. Okay. Hmm. Anything else? Okay. So we'll just again go back to this Western, what we saw, Matisse. We'll just check these colors with these paintings and we'll come to this. Colors कैसे लगते हैं आपको?
Dark colors have been used in that camel painting to show pain and depression.
Okay, so there were no camel paintings. This is a phrase. This is called. This work is in gouache, and the other work is in tempera. So tempera is watercolors, but they are powder colors, and these are watercolors, and sizes are again small, very small, on paper. Whereas these are oil paints on canvases. So I want you people to see the form also. Look at the form, look at the line. Yeah. Yes. And then I also want to introduce you with the form of Gandhi. Do you remember Gandhi? You know who is Gandhi? Yeah. So what is the form when you see Gandhi?
Spear.
Huh?
Spear.
Spear. Okay. What else?
A cylindrical shape.
Gandhi, I said Gandhiji. Gandhiji.
Yes, ma'am, depicting his specs, maybe.
Okay. Huh. Good.
and the chakra.
Good. Charkha. Huh.
Very natural.
Huh.
Very natural. Not natural, but
ठीक है. Good. Huh. Okay. So when I see Gandhi as a form, Gandhi as a form, I recollect his cloth. He's wearing a white cloth with white dhoti. And I always feel such a modern design it is. You know, it is an unstitched cloth and he's covering his, like here also, if you see, it is an unstitched, stitch nahi kiya hai, shirt nahi banaya hai, dress nahi banaya hai. So you can do anything out of it, right? And the same way Gandhi is using, he's just wrapping his body and wearing dhoti. Dhoti जो ऐसे उसको डाल सकते हैं, उसको पैंट आप मोटे भी हो सकते हैं, पतले भी हो सकते हैं, है ना? So such a wonderful design it is. So so yes, so I just wanted to introduce you little bit about this, what was happening in India and how we were seeing art form and how the form which we saw last time. So anything you would like to talk about?
Ma'am, I had a doubt.
Hmm.
Ma'am, outside India, Cubism and everything was going. So did Indians knew that that type of artwork is going out?
They must be knowing, like few of them must be knowing, like Gandhi, so he must be, because he knew Hitler and he has written letters to them. So they must be knowing each other, because we can there were newspapers also. So yeah. Hmm.
Prajakta,
Hmm.
from whatever works you have shown,
Hmm.
the Western works look more geometrical, and the Indian works have more of a flow of lines.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. That is also because, as I said, यहाँ पे in this work we see influence of miniature is there, Ajanta, Ellora. We have that kind of, but again we didn't have a culture of showing work on platform in art galleries, kind of, you know. So we were living with art. There was not a different space, or we were not doing art for uh, commercially. We were not doing art commercially. Yes. Okay, so we'll just move little ahead. हम लोग last time बात कर रहे थे texture के बारे में. So here I would also like to say something. Okay, when we see Gandhi, or when we say we had the Sant culture. Okay, and we experiment a lot with our own body, and we have always seen body as a form. Yes, we have already discussed about form, color, and shape, but in our culture, we have seen body as a form. So that's why maybe when we were talking yesterday, day before yesterday, we were talking about colors and we were talking about textures. So that's why I wanted to make you realize about that these colors, these textures are not something which is outside. Okay. It is the space where you have to sit and you have to see yourself. Yeah. So that's why this practice is important, I feel. Then it could be anything. It could be like painting, it could be singing, it could be anything. But to understand your body as a form, it's very important, I feel. So we'll move to last point, what we discussed yesterday, and it was about texture. टेक्सचर को हम लोग ने बहुत जल्दी जल्दी में देख लिया था, लेकिन उसको थोड़ा सा और हम बात कर सकते हैं ये सब देखने के बाद. दैट टेक्सचर इज अबाउट टच. समवन लास्ट टाइम समवन मेंशन्ड अबाउट सैंडपेपर. तो सैंडपेपर अगर टेक्सचर में देखते हैं, मतलब हम क्या देखते हैं, हम लोग उसको फील करते हैं, राइट? उसका टेक्सचर हम लोग उसकी आवाज भी देखते हैं, टेक्सचर की आवाज भी देखते हैं. when we hear something, उसकी भी कुछ टेक्सचर होती है, राइट? सो टेक्सचर इज वेरी मच पार्ट ऑफ योर सेंसेस. या when you see something, it has got a texture. When we hear something, it has got a texture.
The texture, I mean, can you go to the previous slide or the second slide, I think? Not on this side, second one.
Second, मतलब
With a girl or a lady is wearing red. Yes. So here in this, there is a soft feeling or a texture. Is this the texture?
Yeah. See, texture is, as I told you yesterday, okay, when you, if you go close to it, you see a surface of it, how it is painted. You see brush strokes in it. Acha, I forgot to show you one work of mine in context to collaboration. Why I'm showing you my work here, because I thought if you have any queries, then I can tell you about it. I can talk to you about it. So this was one of my work, and I would say this was my collaboration with the site. Okay, I was studying this site for 4 years almost, and I had different projects on this site. Yeah, and this was one of my work where I displayed my paintings here. Okay, so this is a hill which is covered with small houses, and this place is in Bhandup. It's in Mumbai. Now see the colors here. We see all these colors. You can see this Kit Kat ka this thing, this drum is here. And I will show you one work of mine, one painting of mine, which was displayed here. Okay, so this is what is collaboration I was talking about. Yeah. किसी को कुछ बोलना है ये इमेज के बारे में?
And while doing these paintings, you took the photo and did, or by imagining?
These are the images. I took these images from same site and then I painted it. So यहाँ पे I would say that now people have habit of drying their clothes here. ठीक है? So I thought I also wanted to become a part of it. तो मैंने the way they dry their clothes वैसे ही मैंने मेरे पेंटिंग्स को हैंग किया था वहां पे. और ये जो मैंने सोचा, ये मैंने देखा वहां पे, the way Elisa saw her red dot, you know, and she don't know why she's seeing that. It is not absurd as such. Okay, but I saw the display of my works. This is how I saw my display on that site. Yeah. And this, I would say, this is a collaboration between me and the site. This is one of the work. कोई बात कर सकता है ये काम के बारे में?
Did you draw this on a canvas or?
Good question. This is not a canvas. This is a manjar part. Here you see that. So manjar part is it is a cloth. Canvas comes after that. Manjar part on manjar part they apply coats of texture white, and then we get canvas. So I painted directly on manjar part because I wanted cloth like effect. Yeah, so I painted it on manjar part. And also it's like जैसे तुम अगर सीड लगाते हो, सीड, अभी मैं फिलहाल झाड़ लगा रही हूँ ज्यादा, तो जब हम सीड लगाते हैं तो वी सी इट फ्रॉम बिगिनिंग. या अगर हम रेडीमेड प्लांट लेके आते हैं तो हम लोग सिर्फ उसको पानी डालते हैं. सो इट्स मोर लाइक दैट कि यहाँ पे यू गेट many layers of colors because we start from beginning. It is just a plain cloth, right? So it's not that manzar part is good or canvas is good. It's not like that, but it has got a different different feel when I worked on it. I got, and also I got this manjar part, again I would say I got this manjar part because of the site, because of the place. This is what I was trying to tell you, that if you are seeing a work, the context is very important. Why the material, why that material, why the artist is seeing that material there, why artist is doing that, you know, this context are very important.
It is when I saw it, I could see, I mean, I thought that the stairs are coming out from the building. Like,
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, so display I did like that, okay, because all these things are from that side, and there is actually a site, there is actually a place like that. You have to, you know, go down, and there you see one door, here you see one door, and then I display this works like that. Okay, this is a below eye level. This work is below eye level, but here you see it's above eye level. Then it's a front view. It's little down, but not as down as this. Yeah, this is what I expect, and this is what is collaboration is. If you will ask questions, then I will answer, and you know, this is how this communication is going to happen.
where if I want to go in a particular image, then I can literally enter it.
Yes, yes, yeah.
I think there are 3-4 different doors.
Yes, yeah. And the whole site is like that. So my work also became an extension of that site. So now when I'm talking to you, I'm extending my, not my practice, but I'm extending this site, right? I'm sharing the whole experience. Now see the connections. I have studied this site, then I'm sharing my experience with you. Then you are seeing this image now.
For different people, there can be different perspectives, right? If a picture is shown, like one person might think it's a staircase, one person might think it's going inside.
Yes, very true, very true. Again, if you have seen this space, then the experience could be different. And now you are seeing the image, so the experience could be different. But that is the fun of seeing any image, I would say, not just painting, but any image. We have to take little pause. We have to think about certain things, certain image, certain textures, certain form, certain shape, why that shape is there, why that form is there. It might be little boring, but still. Okay. So I'll go ahead. कोई लड़के लोग नहीं है क्या? जहान, ओमकार, किधर? All boys, where are you? Okay. So this is just one work of it.
Ma'am, in this work, all the things are clearly visible. The texture, the color, the form, and the shapes.
Yes. So when I showed this work there, when I displayed this work, तो आपके जितना ही एक लड़का था जो he was in 7th standard, तो उसने मेरे को बोला था कि a local student, उसने मेरे को बोला था कि it looks like as if an old man is wearing artificial teeth. Yeah, that is what his view after seeing this work. And as Kathy said, again, I'm showing this work because when I was showing you Rothko, I thought, and also in response to what you people were talking about, some of you, किसी ने तो बोला था कि white rectangle बोला था. So why you see white rectangle? Why you see certain things which are soft or ageless, you know? So when I was painting this, and that boy was so close to the experience of he was so close to my experience of painting. When I was painting this, I was feeling, कि ये जो है ना, it's very fragile, and I'm just trying, not I am trying to, but because of this rectangles and because of this shapes, this is getting like, otherwise, मतलब ये जो है, ये सब इसको पकड़ रहा है, otherwise this everything will fall off. Yeah, so this is what I was feeling when I was painting it. So yeah, something hard against something which is very fragile. Again, Manjar part, when I was painting on Manjar part, the feel of it was very different, as I said. So that could be one reason, ये जो ऐसा जो paint हुआ था texture, वो texture मुझे वैसा paint करने का भी, I felt like painting like that, maybe because of the Manjar part. अगर वो canvas होता था तो कुछ अलग paint करती थी मैं. Yeah.
Ma'am, in the previous painting which you showed, which was done by you, so at the corners you have not put dark colors on that. Like there are some parts where red, and after the wall below there are red and blue colors. So how the depth is seen without adding dark colors?
Which work? The last work?
Yes, ma'am.
Without adding dark color. There must be perspective then. I'll just see it again. Where, Kathy?
In between
Where?
the wall, no. In between that red
Where?
wall and black ground, yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's good note. Very good. Yeah, this is quite light, no? Why it's happening? Great, Kathy. Maybe, yeah, it is light, but it is not that light, maybe, which is disturbing, or this light is lighter than this. Yes. For that, you can half close your eyes. You can half close, see the way I'm seeing. Half close your eyes, and then you can see the difference, why it's happening. थोड़ा सा आँख बंद करके सिर्फ इतना देखो, then you can see the difference. Very good, Kathy. Got it? This part
Yes,
is much lighter than this. That's why it's happening. Good. Very good. थोड़ा टाइम सब लोग निकालो ये सब चीजें देखने के लिए, yeah, very good.
Ma'am, or is it due to the contrast also, that black on black directly light color is used.
Yes, that is also true, that you can see this lighter because the dark part is there. If you see maybe black and white करके देखेंगे तो ज़्यादा ठीक, but still I feel this part is much lighter than this, I feel. Yeah. क्योंकि कभी कभी क्या होता है, many times it happens के यहाँ पे जो कलर है और यहाँ पे जो कलर है, मतलब वो कलर के, ये कलर के आजू बाजू में जो कलर है उसकी वजह से ये कलर का टोनल वैल्यू अपने को अलग दिखता है. So it is an illusion. Yeah. Kathy, you paint a lot, huh? Good.
Now, in reality, what is this actually?
In reality, there were steps. See, these are steps, and this is cement. Again, I always ask Omkar whenever I choose new material. Many times I ask Omkar whether I should use this material or not. You know, so he said that Manjar part is maybe much better than canvas because when we paint on Manjar part, उसमें ventilation ज़्यादा अच्छा हो सकता है, because when we apply a texture white on Manjar part, तो उसका जो pores है canvas Manjar part का वो पूरा बंद हो जाता है. Whereas if you are painting on Manjar part, then उसमें pores खुले रहते हैं, तो ventilation अच्छा हो सकता है. Again, it's not good about good or bad, but just about material.